and this is
Chuck and Mitch.
And yes, we went to Legoland, so of course I had to bring a Lego with us.
Oh, sorry, I'm super sad. About Ian, he was trying to be a wizard, and I was a Lego person, a little Lego figure, and he turned me into a person.
Okay, I did not know that Ian did that. Don't know where he went.
And then he turned into a Lego person.
Oh.
Good times.
What?
It's hard to be stuck in that form.
Okay, so today we're going to be making a queso fresco flan. And yes, queso fresco. Oh, I almost dropped it. Queso fresco, my favorite cheese.
Yummy.
And it's going to be our flan. Perfect. So
now
let's get to it. So we're back, and as you heard, my brother was messing around trying to pretend he's a wizard, and he turned Emmett into a person and himself into a Lego person. So here he is, little Ian.
Please, guys, do not try to do this at home. You're not gonna like it.
Okay, Ian. So here are the ingredients.
We're gonna need evaporated milk, condensed milk, vanilla, and rum.
And eggs, queso fresco, and sugar.
Bye-bye.
Okay, well, let's get to it. So let's do our flan. We're gonna start by putting all of our milks and basically everything into our blender. Mix it up. And that's it. And make sure you have adult supervision. I'm gonna pour my cheese. Slowly, satisfying. Sorry, cheese. I wanted to eat you. I'm gonna pour my condensed milk.
Emma, can you please bring me a friend to play with? Okay, so...
Oh,
Oopsie.
you dropped
Nothing to see here.
You dropped Ian.
There we go. Bravo.
So, wait, now we have a Batman in here?
Oh yeah, he's my god now.
Okay. So I'm gonna put my vanilla, the rum, and the eggs. The sugar is for the caramel. Do not pour it in your flan yet.
The one away from her. Ay, ay, ay.
Okay. So Emmett, how was your life?
It's very fun.
Okay.
It's better than being frozen.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Have you watched the movie Frozen? So let's blend it. On button. And so it's ready, and now we're gonna get ready to make our caramel, and our oven is on at 350 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna make our caramel. I need to hurry up before Emmett comes back. So I'll put my sugar. So we're just gonna let it sit so it can melt. Make sure it doesn't burn though. We're gonna use 2 molds instead of one big one, so we can have 2 little ones. Just like. So this is ready. I'm gonna put this up, and make sure you have an adult watching you or supervising you. Mine is right there.
Hola.
Hello. So make sure you have safety here.
¿Tú lo puedes hacer?
Yeah. No. Maybe. Yeah. Pouring sugar into the pan.
Tú puedes, Aileen. You can do it, baby girl. Okay, now pour some in the other one. In the other container. I'm so proud of you. I think that's enough.
Okay.
Muy bien, Aileen. Ahora you have to move it around so you can spread the sugar. Oops, that was me.
So I'm gonna do this one first. It has a little panels on the side. It's hard. Okay, so I took a little too long to put the sugar and it kind of hardened, but it's fine. I can still make this done. Okay. So now we're gonna pour our mix into our pans.
Hey guys, the Emmett gave me a sword now.
To the next one. So now we're almost done. So we're gonna wrap our flans in foil paper, and this is our
Pan full of water.
yes, our pan full of water. So we can put these in there just like we did with the choco flan. We're gonna put it inside of there, and it's for the water not to get into your flan, and you have to seal it completely because. So this is called Baño Maria or Maria's shower. So who knows? Maybe our mom could be famous.
Maybe she did invent it.
Yeah.
No, no.
So we have our tray here. It's filled only to fill up halfway of our little pan. So now we're gonna put them in. Well, this one. That one's already in there.
And now we're gonna put them in the oven.
It's at 350 degrees for
50 minutes.
50 minutes. So basically an hour. Not exactly. So I think we need our mom's help to put it over there.
Okay, I will do it for you guys.
So we'll see you guys in 50 minutes. And if it's done earlier, we'll let you know because we're using smaller pans this time. Not as big, small.
Wait a minute, it's not done yet. I'm tired of being a Lego, so now you're gonna feel what it is like to.
What happens to me? Why am I a Lego now?
What happened to you, Aileen?
I don't know. You did magic. Oh well. Well, can you please turn me back? I want to eat some flan.
Fine, but just this once. Abracadabra, potato, ba-dum, boom!
Ah! What happened to me?
Don't worry, you're fine now.
Really? Well, at least now I can get flan. So, by the way, where'd that go? So, our flan took 50 minutes and
We poked it, we got
poked
it out.
got it out, and we made sure that it was completely cooked, of course. And we left it sit in the fridge for 30 hours. For 3 hours. I just really want to eat it right now. We recommend you making it before the day you're gonna eat it, because, well, yeah. But right now we just want to eat it, so we're gonna undo it.
And I'm super sad because I just broke my wand. I just would. Now I can turn you back into a Lego. Maybe I still have magical power. Dano.
Ready for the big release? Ooh, looks amazing. So we have it here. It's jiggly. It turns with the pan.
If it's stuck to the pan, you can use a knife, around so you can be able to remove it. But this one, you can just, So let's transfer it to our container.
Yep. So now we're gonna flip it onto our plate. You're gonna put it right on top. Make sure it doesn't slip everywhere. Here, and I go. Ready? Oh, it's already oozing out, so.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Ooh.
You think I can turn it into Lego too?
I think we're gonna need Ian to eat it.
Yeah.
Quack, quack,
Sorry, Emmett. We're gonna need Ian.
Wait. Since you're watching, maybe I can turn you into a Lego.
Quickly! Make sure you don't see him. Look for clapping. So we are done, and this looks amazing.
No. One last spell. being a Lego.
Thank you, Ian. Emmett's been very mean. He turned me into
I
Lego.
know that. Now let's try.
So now we're gonna taste it. My strawberry fell. It's so smooth, and the caramel, and you can't even taste the queso fresco. It tastes like any flan, just like. It's like a very secret ingredient.
It's very hidden.
It's so smooth.
Like cheese.
Enjoy. Your strawberry.
Get back on here.
So now you know if you have extra queso fresco from your tacos,
Just put it in here.
and make this amazing
Recipe.
Yes. It is so delicious, so easy, and, well, it's really good. So now, bye! Make sure to subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and ring the bell.